Hello everybody, this is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy. Today we are going to explain about birds. Let us see what are birds. Birds are the only animals with feathers on their bodies. They have wings instead of arms. Most of them can use their wings to fly. They have strong muscles attached to the wings. They use these muscles to flap their wings. Birds are very light because their bones are thin and hollow. This helps them to fly easily. Children, have you noticed the shape of their birds? Yes, it is narrow in the front and broad in the middle. The shape helps in flying, just like aeroplanes and rockets also have this shape. To fly, a bird jumps into the air. It then flaps its wings to push itself upward and forwards in the air. When it lands, it spreads out its wings to stop. It uses its tail to turn while flying. There are about 10,000 different kinds of birds. Birds such as ostrich and kiwi cannot fly. Let us see feathers of a bird. The feathers help a bird to fly. They also keep its body warm. Feathers are oily so that the body does not get wet. It is like wearing a raincoat. In some birds, the feathers are brightly colored. This makes them look beautiful. Let us see the different types of feathers. There are mainly three types of feathers. They are flight feathers, down feathers and body feathers. Flight feathers. Flight feathers are long feathers in the wings and tail. They are used for flying. Down feathers are softy and fluffy. They keep the body warm. Body feathers cover the body and they give the birds its shape. Let us see about beaks of a bird. The bird does not have teeth. They cannot bite or chew. Then their beaks help them to eat. Different birds have different kinds of beaks. They are situated to a kind of food they eat. You can tell what kind of bird eats by looking at its beak. For example, a hummingbird sucks nectar with a long curved beak. It is like a drinking straw. A parrot can easily crack open nuts and seeds with its strong curved beak. A sparrow has a short pointed beak to pick up and crush seeds. Pigeons and peacocks also have similar beaks. A heron eats fish. It has a long pointed beak. It pokes the fish with its beaks and lifts it out of the water. A woodpecker taps the bark of a tree with its help of a sharp pointed beak. It makes a hole in the bark to pull out the insects to eat. A duck has a broad flat beak. It swoops the muddy water with it. The muddy and the water flows out through the holes on the sides. The little plants and insects from the muddy water stay inside the beak which the duck eats. Eagles, vultures and owls kill small animals. They have strong, sharp, hooked beaks to tearing up the flesh. Let us see the feet and claws of the birds. The birds mainly use their feet to catch food and to protect themselves. They also use them to sit on branches. Some birds use them in other ways also. Their feet and claws are situated to these uses. Crows, sparrows and blue jay perch on trees. They have 3 toes in front and 1 toe at back. They use the front toes like our fingers and back toes like our thumb. Their toes go around a bunch to grip it firmly. The grip is so tight that they do not fall off even when they slip. Roosters and hens find their food on the ground. They scratch the ground to eat insects and seeds. Their sap and hard claws help them to ditch. Cranes and flamingos have long thin legs to wade the water. Woodpecker and parrots have 2 toes pointed in front and 2 toes pointed at the back. This helps them to climb the trees and hold fruits to eat. Birds such as ducks and goose have webbed feet. They help them in swimming. Eagles and hawks, vultures, they have sharp curved claws called talons. They use their talons to grip and carry small animals. Thank you. This is Nanduram and we are from Sonu Academy.